Hello guys, today I'll be playing Surfers brother, but if I die, he has to slime me out. Oh wait, I don't need to do that. I already did that crap. And there's also it's still taking some time, dog. Boombox. What you doing? What you doing, man?
What?
Which one should I choose? Dog. You know what? I'm just gonna choose.
You can change your name as well. Don't put your real name. McQueen's number is 95.
Yeah. What do you
Yeah,
think?
I forgot. Okay, is that it?
I like what's like Surfers sort that like said like what's 94 plus 1 and then like this guy like said like McQueen. It's really cinema. And it was like in like a Roblox spelling bee game. And then the game like
Okay, looking connected. So when you join on another device, like let's say if you get a phone or something, then it connects to your account and then saves.
Are we together?
Yeah, right.
I'm recording now. Okay. If I lose, then he has to slime me out. I'm just gonna like I'm not even gonna post this on YouTube.
Yeah,
I got nothing! How is that even fair?
Stop screaming. Shut up.
Bro, I'm in last place. Wait, what place are you? Oh, fudge.
I'm in first.
I'm actually gonna lose. I'm actually fried. What the hell just happened? You don't want to see my inner ticky demon. Because if you want to see my ticky inner demon, then you're gonna have to face my ticky inner demon. I'm sorry for saying that. I'm gonna murder everyone!
Second. Let's go.
Oh my gosh, if I lose, then he's gonna have to kill me. Yeah, I'm dead. Please don't do it, Elio. Please. Please.
When the ad ends, you better run.
Oh no. The ad ended. Wait, but not this ended. Well, boys, well, ladies and gentlemen, he just slime me out. I'm cooked. No, please!
Sounds cute.
Please don't! No, please! No, please! Please!